Raiah on the fire. Yeah, Raiah on the fire. And you know I switched it up a little bit. It's because today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. OMG. And today I'm going to be making curry shrimp and pepper shrimp. Because y'all already know I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. So guys, let's get on to the video. Guys, I already put my butter and oil in this. And guys, I'm going to put onions, garlic, and peppers. So first I'm going to put these peppers. Ooh. Then I'm going to put the onions. Guys, let me cook a little bit fast because that is very spicy. So, looking pretty weird. Guys, I'm mixing it all around now. Then I have some pre-seasoned. Shrimp. And now I'm going to put it in there. Pouring it. Oh, going really slow. And I poured it in, guys. And now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to try to because this is a lot of stuff in it. Because y'all know I already cook a little stuff like cereal. So I'm just mixing it around. And as y'all can see, these are big. Real big. So now I'm going to put some paprika seasoning. Where's the opening? And this is going to be real spicy. And guys, in a separate video, I'm going to be doing with my mom, eating this. And it's going to be a challenge. So, let me mix it. And it's going to be the spicy shrimp challenge. But we're not going to. Now we're going to put crushed red pepper. Not coming out! Shake it all over. Guys. Now I'm going to put chili powder. So that's going to be it for the chili powder. Now I'm going to put cayenne pepper powder. Oh, not that side. That was way too much. Guys, look. I opened this side by accident. I'm like, nope, not that side. That's way too much. I'm just mixing it up a little bit. Now I'm going to pour it in. And that's enough. So, So this is going to be 4 spices. 4. Guys, y'all can't see my hand. 4. And it's like a quad. Like Nicky Ricky. So nice. Now I'm going to put allspice whole. So guys, shrimp doesn't really need to cook that long. So I'm going to let it sit right there and do the curry chicken. So let the pepper sauces soak into the shrimp. So guys, I'm almost tripped. So I already put the oil. Now I'm going to put some of the onion. Putting it right now, you can see very slowly. Going to be difficult because I'm holding the camera. Lifting a little bit, yeah. So I'm going to put all the rest of the onions and look at that big plop right there, guys. So guys, that's all. Now I'm going to put curry powder. Oh, ooh. So that's enough. Now I'm going to put hot and spicy duck/goat curry powder. It's just like this, but it's duck/goat. And it's weird. I might have put too much, guys. Now I'm going to put anchor masala. I'm going to put a little bit at a time. So now I'm going to ground roasted jira. Sorry guys. And these are all from cheap. Oh, I didn't put enough. I'll show you again. So that's enough. And it should look like this, guys, but not all like this. So now I'm going to mix it up. Let the curry soak into the oil. That smells so strong. That's why it tastes so good. It smells so strong. Y'all need a good whiff of this. Good whiff. So now I'm going to put in some pre-seasoned shrimp. Don't mind that big bump there, guys, because someone did. So guys, that's all of the shrimp. Now I'm going to mix it. So guys, now I'm going to put in some coconut milk because I like coconut milk in my shrimp. So guys, that's going to be enough. So guys, as I said before, shrimp doesn't take so long to cook. So I'm just going to mix it around. Mix it. And guys, it already has the salt and seasonings in it, so. It smells so yummy. I know it looks weird, but it tastes good. So I'm going to let the sauce soak into the shrimp, as I said with the other one. And we're going to look at the other shrimp that I made. So this is it. This is the finishing cut of yumminess. Guys, I really don't like pepper sauce that much. It's my mom that likes it so much. So look at this, guys. It's already bubbling. Bubbling and bubbling. Bubbling and bubbling. A bubbling and a 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 bubbling. Oh, I'm dizzy. Guys, I'm going to get some water because this got me. So guys, you don't know this, but I'm going to eat this with rice. And I might have already said this, but I like my shrimp so sad, so sad, so sad. And guys, this has no spice. Nada, nothing. No spice. No. Real good. Can't wait to eat this tonight. So it's finished, guys. But as you can see, it's still bubbling. So it's still bubbling, but it's all guys. Good. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button, and remember to hit that subscribe button, and remember to hit that notification button. And watch my challenge, because it's going to be with the pepper shrimp with rice. Guys, pepper shrimp with rice. But not with rice. We're just going to eat it with rice after the challenge. Yeah. Guys, and remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and comment down below. I have a quest for you guys. The quest is to get to, guys, I hope this is not too much, but I hope to get to 500 subscribers. 500. Guys, and you know what for me. And guys, the challenge is going to be with no water. Not even some water. Not even pure life water. No. Not even juice, not even soda. But we might have it, we're going to have it beside us just in case. But we're not going to have a challenge. So, peace.